It's today. Good morning. Dogs are barking in the background. Drinking my green juice. But hey, this is what's up. This is what's up. Let's make some breakfast. Morning. So we have some pimento seeds that were kind of what should I say? I had them burning in the oil, so you know so the flavor is going to be just popping. So now I'm going to add some seasoning to this. Well hot. We have onion, a lot of tomatoes, we have sweet pepper, garlic, and pepper. I'm just going to spin it around until it comes together. And then let's see what is going on in the other parts. Pata bubble. We have some Jack in a bush, some tree of life tea going on right here. Turn it off because it boiled up already. Let's make this go and simmer down. Alright, so this simmer down now. So what we're going to do is add some. I'm going to tell you. Alright, we're going to add some okra to this. Catch it. I think if you could smell this right now, you would be amazed. Don't stop there now. Something what we call nice up the pot. I love the Alaska mackerel because it's just rich and nice. And you don't get only 2 mackerel in there, you get 4. Nice, don't you? Let's go like this. And you always put little water in the mackerel tin and just rinse out all of the goodness. Like nothing can waste. If you shake out the mackerel tin, but you get all of the goodness. So we're just going to make this simmer. Remember, we turn down the why? We turn down the flames low. So to this, we're going to add some salt. And to this, we're going to add some black pepper. Half a flavor of the pot. Yeah, no black pepper. Maybe this one nobody wants it. And we're just going to stir it. If you notice, the okra, everything just coming together as one. Now this is going to be a secret surprise, so you never know the in store. To this, we're going to add some plantains. One time, add a shot thing now. And we're just going to let this sit for a couple minutes and just come together. Before, I basically rough fry the plantain here. I should have shown you before, but anyways, you get the idea. I must know how to fry plantain. I was going to make this simmer down for a little while. At this time, it's more than ready. It's perfect. Yummy. So we have the finished product here. Looks really nice. And I don't know what we call it. But of course we have some nice toasty bread, bay leaf and pimento flavor toast bread. Breakfast for two. We have some nice shot of green juice. And I'll always end it with one love.